Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video tutorial I'll show you how to use Gauth app. So this app is used for solving mathematical tasks. So if you're in school or a college or something and you want to solve all of your math issues, this app is the one for you. So basically there are two main ways of solving your tasks here. So the first one is going to be manually inputting your task. So for that, click on this calculator icon and you will be taken to the actual calculator. So as you can see, we have everything, all of the symbols that we need, and we have a scientific and graphing calculator in here. So if you want to manually input all of the data so that everything is correct and precise, you can do it in the calculator. Now the other method, as you can see, I have my camera open right now, so this is my phone. Right, so the other method is to just scan the actual paper with the math tasks on them, and basically you make a picture, the application analyzes it and then gives you the solving for this task. Or the other third method is going to be choosing the photo or a picture by yourself. So as you can see, there's a picture icon right over here, so you click on it. I did not give the permissions, but after that you get your gallery where you can browse your pictures and photos, and from there you choose your picture or photo with your math tasks and solve them. And here we have history, math, general, translate, physics, chemistry. You've got everything in here, and language as well. You can also use a flashlight if you want to make photos of your tasks in the more dark conditions. And that's basically how you use this application. Hopefully guys this helped you. Go ahead and solve your math tasks. Good luck to you. Be a good student, have good marks, and enjoy your time in the school. See you later.